Hello, everyone. My name is Karen, and I am the Associate Counselor here at Plexus. Welcome to the Updating Your 4-Year High School Planner workshop. In this workshop, I will walk you through different steps and recommendations that you can do in order to update your high school plan. So let's go ahead and get started. Step 1. Review your previous high school plan. If you're watching this workshop, it's because you already have a plan that you built a while ago, and reviewing your high school plan helps you in remembering the goals you set yourself to complete. That is, maybe you want to check off one of your goals if you already completed it, or maybe you just want a reminder of the things you want to complete. As I mentioned, you want to review your plan to check off the things you have already completed. Of course, check the things you haven't completed. And you want to update your plan every year. I recommend you update your high school plan every year after you finish a grade in high school, so it can be up to date with the latest information. Step 2. Self-reflection. Now that you have already spent some time in high school, you want to reflect on your experience. Your updated high school plan will be based on the answers to these types of questions. Do your future career goals remain the same? Think about the career goal you already have in your high school plan and see if that career goal still applies today and if it's still something that you are interested in doing. If not, then you can go ahead and change it. What has your high school experience been like? Reflect on your experiences, like the classes you have taken, the activities you're involved in, your academic achievements, etc. What are your current interests? Maybe your interests have changed since the last time you updated your plan. What will you continue being involved in? What new things would you like to try? What is your dream college if you have thought about it? And what are your strengths and weaknesses? Step 3. Courses. Before you start adding anything that has to do with academics to your high school plan, I strongly encourage you to seek out advice of your high school academic counselor and reflect on the high school classes you have already taken. Your high school counselor will recommend classes that are best for you based on your academic performance to make sure you end up with a successful completion. And here are some tips to help you when choosing courses. Choose courses applicable to your desired major. This will show colleges that you're interested in to see that you have been preparing for college coursework in that major. College credit courses, for example, AP, IB, and honors courses. I strongly recommend you check out the college credit courses that are offered at your high school, since these can potentially save you up some time when you begin college. Try a new subject. Don't be afraid to try something new. Check out courses on things you haven't learned about or things that you would like to try out for. And finally, do not overload. Sometimes students pack their schedule with so many courses, especially honors courses. So be careful when choosing classes because you don't want to stress yourself out with too much coursework either. Step 4 is the fun part of your high school plan, which is extracurricular activities. It doesn't matter whether you are entering high school or you're entering your senior year. It is still a great idea to continue involvement in extracurricular activities, and some benefits of extracurriculars are that they look amazing on college applications. College admission representatives love looking at the involvement a student has shown outside of school. They are great to build up essential skills such as teamwork skills, professionalism, time management, etc. They are great to build up social opportunities. They are a distraction from academics because, of course, high school should not only be about academics, it is also an opportunity to explore other activities. And they are great to keep you motivated both in and outside of school. Step 5. Summer. You all love summer vacation, but since you are not in school during this time, you have more time on your hands to explore various college boosting opportunities. There are 4 summers before you go to college, so try to set a goal on each one. Some examples of things you can do are go on college tours, try to find a part-time or a full-time job, a volunteer opportunity, or an internship opportunity. Take college courses. Students can typically take college courses at their local community college, at a pre-college program, or even online. Start your own business. You're probably thinking that maybe you are too young to start your own business, but I'm here to tell you that that is not true. Some things you can do are start a babysitting business, dog walking, car washing since you are in the summer, etc. Apply for scholarships. There are thousands of scholarships all over the internet for any type of student, regardless of the grade they are in. And so use this time during the summer to apply to as many scholarships as you can. And finally, we have study. You can study for things such as the PSAT, which you will be taking sometime during your sophomore year, the SAT or the ACT, which you'll probably be taking around your junior year. And finally, we have step 6, which is practicing daily habits. These daily habits will eventually become useful in your college and professional career, so start or continue building up those skills while you are still in high school. Some skills that you should work on are studying, time management, health, professionalism, organization, and goal setting. All right, we have reached the end of this workshop. Thank you for sticking around. Before I leave, I would like to let you all know to please download our Plexus app. If you download our app, you'll be able to receive instant notifications. We'll also very much appreciate it if you leave us a rating and a review on the App Store or Google Play. We very much appreciate any feedback you're able to give us. Chat with my counselor if you have any questions regarding this video, or if you would like to reach out about your journey to higher education. We're always happy to help in answering all of those questions as well. And I also encourage for you all to check out our Plexus page for more workshops that are geared towards preparing you for higher education. And thank you all for watching. I will see you on the next workshop. Bye.